Now I want to find largest value from column L by using max function. So what is max function? Max function describes the largest value in cell reference range, rows or columns. Its syntax is very simple. This is the name of function. In arguments, you can add cell reference range, rows or columns which contain numbers. Activate cell J39 to calculate maximum sales. In Formulas tab, click Insert function. Search the max function in search box. Click Go. Select the max function from the list. Click OK. The function arguments dialog box opens. In number 1 box, select the cell reference range from column L. When you click OK, as a result, max function returns the largest value in cell J39. This is the maximum sales from customer Jerry Blake.